In this video we will see how to make your iPhone as desk clock or bed clock. You can easily set your mobile iPhone as bed clock by using a standby position. Go to settings of your iPhone and tap on standby. Tap on it. Here enable this feature, standby feature. Standby will turn on when iPhone is placed on its side while charging, like visit, photos, frames, or clocks. Enable all the features and plug in your charger. Allow and press the power button to lock after turning on all the standby feature. And from the button side you will have to keep your phone and turn off, and you can see standby mode, you can see battery features, calendar, and if you want to some other feature want to add, then you can easily go to my channel and look for a standby mode. In this feature you can add various other feature also.